Dearest Drew, I cannot believe our day is finally here. It feels so surreal. My stomach is full of knots and my heart is full of flutters with excitement. Although we've been happily married for 5 whole months, this wedding is a once-in-a-lifetime event that will give our love celebration its due, or overdue rather. I could not be happier getting to marry you again. We made it through a 1,000-year storm and flood, and our love endured. I'm certain that if Mother Nature herself could not break or prevent our bond, nothing else will. There's a reason we went through all that. We were meant for each other. And all this outpouring of rain at key moments in our relationship is a symbol of the outpouring of love that we have felt, do feel now, and will continue to experience for the rest of our lives. Drew, I promise to love you until my last breath. I promise to be there for you and with you through everything life throws at us. I promise to cherish your precious love and heart. I promise to give you my best and my all. I promise to be your partner down the path of life's adventure for as long as we both shall live. You are my one and only. Oh my God. You look beautiful. You too. You look amazing.
So now we come to the joyous moment of what this day signifies. It is in speaking these vows that you lay the foundation for the rest of your shared life together. Drew, do you take Alyona as your wife and equal, lover and best friend for so long as you both shall live?
I do.
Alyona, do you take Drew as your husband and equal, lover and best friend for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
And now, by the power vested in me, it is my honor and privilege to pronounce that you are husband and wife. You may now kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Dodson.
You did it.
I was actually, though, lucky enough today to find a story that I could tell. And it happened earlier. We were sitting up in the groom's room, and these two exchanged letters to each other. And he sat in there and read the letter, and it was just amazing to watch. He was like a little baby. He couldn't even make it through the letter. He was just started crying. It was just so clear to see how much he loves her. And from what she wrote in that letter, it was clear how much she loves him. And I'm just so happy for you two. And what you guys have is beautiful. And I love you both. So, cheers.
And today I promise to have the biggest smile on my face regardless of rain and stupid little things that will go wrong, because all that truly matters is that you have me and I have you. I'm yours and you are mine from this day till the end of my days. I love you with all my heart, Reschedule. Now let's go get married. You're Alyona, aka Mrs. Dodson.
I love you both so very much, and I am so incredibly proud of y'all. And a little bit of fatherly advice, just love each other as much as you love each other right now the rest of your lives. Cherish that love. It's a beautiful love that God has given to both of you to share, and love and cherish each other over and over and over.
This love will continue to flow deeply, passionately, truly, absolutely, joyously, tenderly, ferociously, and unconditionally forever and ever.